Hi guys, I'm Shivangi Sarda and welcome to Weekly Market Watch. In terms of the market, we've seen that there has been a roller coaster ride this week and clearly a tug of war between the bulls and the bears. But then again, we've seen that the bulls have managed to come in place in the support zones and have supported the index. Talking about Nifty, we've seen that it rebounded near its 50 daily exponential moving average and there has been strong support based buying over there. But then again, absence of follow-up is missing. So talking about levels per se, we are looking at 21,450. This is a crucial level. Now index has to cross and hold above this level for an up move towards 21,650 and 21,750. While on the downside, crucial support is placed at 21,250 and 21,100 zones. Now we are heading into the budget week, so there has to be volatile swings. So please do expect wild swings in this week. Talking about Bank Nifty, there has been slight underperformance continuing over here because of the heavyweights. Now the heavyweights have not been performing and they gave up most of their gains this week. We've seen towards the end as well, mostly all of them have surrendered. So now talking about Bank Nifty, 44,444 would be a crucial support zones. And on the upside, while on the upside, it remains capped, but we are looking at 45,650 zones. So these are the levels to watch out for in the banking index. Sector-specific action, we will be seeing a lot of action in the defense space. Some of the power names and the metal and mining companies are to be in the focus. So focus on this ahead of the budget and we will meet next week. Thank you. See you soon.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.